That spells terrific, can't you see? Ooh, 6 strong pillars we all need to grow in character. Yes, indeed.
Trustworthiness means tell the truth. Be honest always, that's the proof. Keep your promises, do what's right. Stand by your values day and night.